In the garden, we see green leaves. The flowers bloom in bright colors. There are red roses and yellow daisies. Butterflies flutter around the petals. Bees buzz from flower to flower. Sunshine warms the grassy ground. A rainbow of colors brightens the day. Look at the orange tulips standing tall. There are pink peonies in a row. Purple violets peek from the soil. Counting begins with 31 flowers. See the 32 bees buzzing around. 33 butterflies dance in the air. There are 34 ladybugs on leaves. 35 worms wiggle in the dirt. 36 apples hang from trees. 37 cherries shine on branches. There are 38 blueberries in baskets. 39 strawberries grow by the path. The parade is set with bright banners. Colorful flags wave in the gentle breeze. Look at the tall, cheerful sunflowers. There are 40 friends ready to march. 41 cheerful children laugh and smile. The sparkle of magic fills the air. 42 balloons float above the crowd. Each one dances with the wind. 43 snails slide slowly on the path. 44 ladybugs find cozy spots. 45 worms peek from their homes. 46 tiny ants march in a line. 47 colorful feathers swirl around. 48 giggles echo through the garden. 49 cheerful songs fill the air. 50 flowers sway in the soft wind. 51 ducks waddle near a pond. 52 shiny shells rest on the grass. 53 cute rabbits hop around playfully. 54 bright kites fly above the trees. 55 twinkling stars begin to sparkle. 56 tiny frogs jump near the water. 57 shiny stones line the path. 58 apples fall from the trees. 59 beehives buzz with activity. There are 60 happy friends at the parade. In the magical garden, people gather. They are excited for the Gear Garden Parade. Pinkie Pickles wears a bright green costume. Her friend, Tilly Toad, hops beside her. Together, they wave at the crowd. Pinkie has a shiny, colorful hat. Tilly carries a basket full of snacks. The sun shines bright above them. Flowers bloom all around the parade. Everyone laughs and dances with joy. Their goal is to gather all the flowers. They want to make a big bouquet. Pinkie sees a flower at the end. Tilly points to the flowers nearby. They skip together towards the flowers. Let's pick them gently, Pinkie says. Yes, we can share the bouquet. Tilly replies. As they pick, they count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers are picked. Pinkie giggles at Tilly's funny dance. Let's keep counting. Pinkie cheers. Together, we can do this, says Tilly. They find more and more flowers. They sing a fun counting song together. Flowers fill their basket quickly. Their smiles grow as they collect. Soon, their basket is very full. They admire their colorful bouquet. The garden parade is getting lively. Friends cheer as they gather around. Joyful music plays for everyone to enjoy. Pinkie shares her snacks with Tilly. Would you like a cookie? She asks. Thank you, Pinkie. You're so kind. Tilly replies. They pass cookies to friends around. Everyone says, please. And thank you. They laugh and enjoy the treats together. Let's wait for the music to start, Pinkie suggests. They hold hands while they wait. Looking both ways, they cross the path. Sharing makes us happy, Tilly says. Suddenly, they find a hidden treasure. It's a rainbow-colored kite. Pinky dances with excitement. Tilly helps to untangle the string. Together, they fly the kite high. Everyone claps and cheers for them. They work as a team, feeling proud. The kite soars high above the trees. Smiles light up everyone's faces. The day has been so much fun. They review the counting with their friends. 30 flowers in their basket. 40 friends join the parade. 60 joyful moments shared together. Everyone cheers for the sunny day. The colors of the garden brighten smiles. Pinky and Tilly wave goodbye to the crowd. Thank you for joining our parade, they shout. The garden glows in the setting sun. What a lovely day in the garden. As the sun sets, it glows softly. Time to head home, feeling happy. They skip along the winding path. With laughter in the air, they go home. The garden will always be their favorite place.